Welcome back.
Once more, ngasidi another unit ama hosi class 12 ki aruiba unit 10 ecology habi unit asi amuk hosi unit asida chapter mari lay chapter 13 14 15 and 16 chapter 13 da akoina naina gadorisi organisms and populations matang the ecosystem matang the biodiversity and conservation and aruiboina environmental issues nainagani. Now, ecology habits ki matang da like theory explanation masamsa introduction masamsa se hana mutang giminasi. Diversity is not only a characteristics of living organisms but also of content in biology textbooks. Koi diversity is a living organism da laiba khaknatana biology ki like asida yawriba topic sing asisu diversity lay. Koi chapter 1 class 11 dagi horga chapter 16 class 12 po pulap unit tara asta lay but unit sing se amaga amatta mari lay na daba amatta mana daba gi mong lay ba ko masibok na diversity in biology hana damo kawani. Biology is presented either as botany oina zoology oina and the microbiology or as classical and modern hainasu branch masa mayamama khaidok payai. The later is an euphemism for molecular aspects of biology. Koi modern biology ka idi kai no harga molecular aspect lomdul en maksang sinba hadi living organisms sing sikarina sai and sum yenga ko matamda khwalagi pikpa component si living organisms si atom na sai and haira kadoibo ade husikan di mo modern physics modern chemistry rom da yamna so khulabni na mo atom sing se karina sai have se don mak thira ko matamda di pot se khudimag nano particles in the sai and haire to ade nano sai si di pot se khudimag loi manai haidra ado ita ka dem da khan biu ne human beings ki nano particle human cell ki nano particle lamaga laphoi ki nano particle lamaga santhi ki nano particle lamaga cha manai hairabani na somehow masigi nano particles sing si arrangement si khena bana maram moidna different moikibani haba diversity like ibani to ita if you can make human ki cell ki arrangement to karam haina tawi kholi have do khanglaba matung that you can make if you can arrange the nanoparticles of santhi as it is then nanoparticle hai ki tarag di santhi ki human being ki haira roi sa mana barina ado ita ga di khoi santhi dagi liver sungba yabagi mo lakpasu yai na ko so biological researches se yamna angang oi research ni example hai babu hojik prithvi pumbada corona virus haiba virus na covid 19 na sina handana baina magwahali dana ko adu kari gino hojik phobo masigi vaccine complete haira ko taraga di maram kari wagani maram se kari wagada hairga research widely haibagi wagado ini ko. Luckily, we have many threads which weave the different areas of biological information into a unifying principle. Similarly, ecology is one such thread which gives us a holistic perspective to biology. The essence of biological understanding is to know how organisms, while remaining an individual, interact with other organisms and physical habitats as a group and hence behave like organized wholes, that is population, community, ecosystem, or even as the whole biosphere. Adi laidiba amamam mayam sina pulap punsilaga matau karamna masida kari behavioral changes lai haibasi naina basida da koi yamna achoba biology research amadum oiribani. Ecology explains to us all this. A particular aspect of this is the study of anthropogenic environmental degradation. Mean by environmental degradation and the socio-political issues it has raised. Social problems and political issues karam only have say ecology. This unit ecology describes as well as text a critical view of the above aspects. The unit C holding India guina down the Maru Misak Amakaki description Masamapi Mr. Ramdio Mishra Haidana 1908 to 1998 fawa himbiramba. Ramdeo Mishra is revered as the father of ecology in India. So India is father of ecology haidana parikya da khang patara di kobir no Ramdeo Mishra. R Mishra harga suyari ko. Born on 26 August 1908, Ramdeo Mishra obtained PhD in ecology under Professor W.H. Pearsall, FRS, from Leeds University in UK. He established teaching and research in ecology at the Department of Botany of the Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. His research laid the foundations for understanding of tropical communities and their succession, environmental responses of plant population and productivity, and nutrient cycling in tropical forests and grasslands ecosystem. Research area where Mishra formulated the first postgraduate course in ecology in India. Over 50 scholars obtained PhD degree under his supervision and move on to other universities and research institutes to initiate ecology teaching and research across the country. He was honored with the fellowships of the Indian National Science Academy, INSA, and World Academy of Arts and Science in the WAAS, and the prestigious Sanjay Gandhi Award in Environment and Ecology. Due to his efforts, the Government of India established the National Committee for Environmental Planning and Coordination, which in later years paved the way for the establishment of Ministry of Environment and Forest. In 1984, Ramdeo Mishra separate ministry and lakibani. So introduction masama like matung dai koi ahanba chapter of this unit, chapter number 13, organisms and populations have say hobi yare. Hodre mang wina na ecology have si karino have say hangdaba yaurum su yai tang hajarake eco sa di Greek maronda koi home have ni ko logo sa ni khange logo sa di study have the lendra. Adoita ecology di home की मतंग द तंबा सब्जेक्ट हर गति लाले इकोलॉजी यदि home से कोई ultimate environment नहीं इतना अदना एक कोई की environment की मतंग द तंबा subject ना है बरे now सेगी ecology है रिबा सी biology की फायदे की वांगबा फायदे की चावबा level नहीं नका तो रिबे से कोई ना biology सी पिंग है देखिए कोई ना होरपदा से cell खराब पुंसे लगे tissue खराब पुंसे लगे organ है तो सुन चलेगा organism है बा मखक form तो भी ना individual है तो क्या मस्तिष्क में मांगदा cell से कनाना form तो भी है तरह दी atom खराब पुंसे लगा molecule खराब पुंसे लगा है ना सुन sequence ले इतना अगर माही तो उतना organism खराब पुंसे लगा population खराब पुंसे लगा community खराब पुंसे लगा ecosystem खराब पुंसे लगा biome खराब पुंसे लगा biosphere हाइदना सिगी sequence नि को कोई होसी तम गदौली से that is the highest level of biology नि कोई होसी study तो वो उधर बसे ये सी our living world is fascinatingly diverse and amazingly complex. We can try to understand its complexity by investigating at various levels of biological organization, like macromolecules, protein, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid, cells, tissues, organs, individual organism, population, community, ecosystem, and biome. At any level of biological organization, we can ask two types of questions. For example, when we hear the bulbul singing early morning in the garden, we may ask, how does the bird sing? Why does the bird sing? So, the how type. We want to know the mechanism behind the process. While the Y type 6 the significance of the process. Karigino khoni se process to gi significance maram du neba koina pamisi. Amana matau karam na haiba mechanism khangba. Amana significance khangba. For the first question in our answer, the answer might be in terms of the operation of the voice box and the vibrating bone in the birds. Mechanism do, which is the sound to pungaba, siddins koba, patam yoridana. Whereas for the second question, there is the answer may lie in the bird's need to communicate with its mate during breeding season. Masapu na pagkita communication. When you observe nature around you with a scientific frame of mind, scientific frame of mind, the environment you will certainly come up with many interesting questions of both types. Why are night blooming flowers generally white? Nung sat place generally white, my pollinator species too. My pollinators kaiduna aduna machudu ngauraga manam lomdoina thado my pollinator kaupna maruere ko. How does the bee know which flower is nectar? Karamai khangamni. Why does cactus have so many thorns? How does the chick recognize her own mother, his honda? To prevent transpiration and haigadoito. So smaito drakoi biologically, scientifically. How does the bird sing? Science my reason do you have no vac or won't go to pay? Can you know coolly say hi taragadi, mother so do mangai? A quay mu ibena, round no company, gabanatana, madam the scientific reason later oi heba. You have already learned in previous classes that ecology is a subject which studies the interaction among organisms, that means organism amaga, mayam singsi maraktaleba, interaction and between the organism and its physical environment. Environment tuga, abiotic factors in tuga niko, aduga organism tuga, taunago interaction. Masibune kwena ecology and high say. Ecology is basically concerned with 4 levels of biological organization. Kari organisms, populations, communities, and biomes. Marisida kwena henna, impasses piragatamgadi. In this chapter, we explore ecology at organismic and population levels. Organism and its environment. Ecology at the organismic level is essentially physiological ecology, which tries to understand how different organisms are adapted to their environments in terms of not only survival but also reproduction. Organismic level the ecology tamudu is kari matang no haiba matamda say organism to hingana phonaba as well as masapo na nabu phonaba da environment to da matau karamna adaptation tawi. Haiba basically physiologically my function the karamana adaptation tawi have ki matang the hena tamni. You may have learned in earlier classes how the rotation of our planet around the sun and the tilt of its axis cause annual variations in the intensity and duration of temperature, resulting in distinct seasons. Season na si karigilay, you know, hasi geography da mamang da tamkrabani, mamang class speaking ay da tamkrabani, Prithvi rotation around the sun and the tilt of its axis. Adi Prithvi kitang pairap toroga sa lihay da na ko. Madugi axis to the pairap sat pa, amadi rotation to wado na maramoy da na seasonal variation in temperature as ilay di bani. These variations, together with annual variation in precipitation, I didn't know na teko, matagtugi tariba nong, even snow tariba, un tariba, sigumasing se precipitation ko gani. So season ne precipitation ne, ani se account for the formation of major biomes. Prithvi lalaiba biome karay taragadi, desert, rainforest, and tundra. Sikanate, atopayam na yauri, kari lady, Arctic and alpine tundra, number 1. Coniferous forest, number 2. Temperate forest, number 3. Tropical forest, number 3. Number 4. Grassland, number 5. Desert, number 6. So, maruiba biomes taruk leine ko masi annual temperature as well as precipitation da basis torga pibani ko haibetang diagram si yengsin biyo aduga kitang khang hobo kanagani hayeng nitta diagram si piraga sai sing sa amuk thara arwe mai sing loi muthara ni ko adu option da thajala ni ha option 1 option 2 kari kari no kain tawdana atu tar diagram si hayu da be arwe ko tikchana haina bhala biyo makha yengsi regional and local variations within each biome lead to the formation of wide variety of habitats. Say, haina sine ko India se karma mukhalgi biome distribution de yawi. India si tropical forest ke to ini. India si the grasslands so like India the desert so like don mangle myamam like adubu haina sine ko tropical forest amada su regional variation like local variation like adun maram oidana variety of habitats lakadawise major biomes in India are shown in figure 13.2 utkadore ose 13.2 the India the level biomes see okay no karino sea deep the tropical rainforest like deciduous forest desert like sea coast like so India the variety of biomes like and highly on planet Earth life exists not just in a few favorable habitats, but even in extreme and harsh habitats. Okana khaleba. Prithvi da khwaidagi nungai ba jaga da jiba sing leigani haidana. Adu nungai ba haise jiba maga da khenai heba. Phadiamna saba Rajasthan ki desert resu jiba lei. Adu rain adom churaga leiba Meghalaya ki forest kai desu jiba lei. Adagi samudra ki manu deep ocean trenches da sam jiba lei adagi stream ising kanna chenma from the zoo lei permafrost snow laden polar region adum untaraga leiba unna ko pog leiba Himalaya sing from the zoo jiba lei high mountain tops atu the zoo jiba lei thermal springs ashab ifut adum ising soba adum ifut forga leiba from the zoo jiba lei and stinking compost pits namchigraba apu masagi pit sing the zoo jiba lei heba. Even a quick intestine, is a unique habitat for a number of species of microbes. Ziba say harsh condition wisanu mahom ayambuda ziba lay and hayvani. So what are the key elements that lead to so many variations in the physical and chemical conditions of different habitats? Kani kari no ba so kyam ne khena basi. The most important ones are maruiba kharatpiri aidigi maruiba temperature, water, light, soil haidana. Sige factor mari 4 abiotic factor major abiotic factors in say kone like asida fazana tamakani. We must remember that the physico-chemical, that is abiotic components alone do not characterize the habitat of an organism completely. The habitat includes biotic components in suyauri heba. Kari kana no biotic component hai targadi pathogen, parasites, pathogen are going to disease causing agents, parasite are going to pathogen, the book with poo vehicles, predators, jiva sing tanaraga, sing competitors, amaga competition of the organisms with which they interact constantly. Interaction we assume that over a period of time, the organism had, through natural selection, evolved adaptation to optimize its survival and reproduction in its habitat. Amada disturb tonaba taragasu adaptation toraga survival and reproduction toragani hosi pawda prithvi sida jiva mayam malakri base. Each organism has an invariably defined range of conditions that it can tolerate. Yariko tolerate tomagamba condition lady diversity in the resource it utilizes and a distinct functional role in the ecological system. All this together comprises its niche. So Zivamnal, I think in one leisure bazaga, Mana kind of way, tolerate Tobungama conditions, Mana utilize Tobungamba resources, and ecological system to the Masagi role, Makapsuli Java, Madubakwena, niche, Hadanakawi. Matangi topic asi major abiotic factors hai masi matangi video da haijarake masigi. Thank you very much.